Hey guys, Kamsi here. This is something that has always helped me in design, and I want to share it with you guys. Yeah. Let's say you're working on a product and you need to use illustration for that particular design, and then you're working with Icons 8 plugins. Yeah. And you only have access to the PNG format on Icons 8, and then the illustration you're using does not really fit the color code of what you are trying to achieve, right? So this is how you can actually change those colors, because this is PNG, right? To unlock it to as SVG, you have to get the premium. You have to get a premium and Icons 8 version, or premium Icons 8. You need to pay, but we don't have money to pay for premium. So let me show you an easier way to do that, to get and to get the SVG of any PNG and illustration on Icons 8. So what we're going to do first is, I have my Icons 8 here open already, so we're going to be working with this particular illustration. So I'm going to bring this to my canvas. So let's wait a minute for it to drop. So we have it here. Let me delete this. So we have it here. All right, we have it here, right? So I'm going to export this. So for some reasons best known to whatever, I love exporting on 4x. So I'm going to export this and then save, replace, yes. So we'll be using, let me delete this. We'll be using recraft.ai for this process. So we go to your browser and type recraft.ai. And it's just actually to do a few things. And you don't have to sign up to use it. That's like one of the best I love about this platform. You don't have to sign up before using the platform. So you go to recraft.ai, you come to insert, and then you come to import image. So let's select this our PNG here, and then you enter. Give it a moment to upload. So our PNG illustration is here. So we're going to double click on it. Is it double click or right click? I don't know, right click or double click? Right click. And then you see these options, and then you click on vectorize, select vectorize. So let's wait for it to vectorize. So after I'm done vectorizing, I will export as PNG. So I am done vectorizing. I'm going to export this. I will still right click again. So I'm using I'm using a Mac, so it's just 2 finger, or you double click in your own case, I don't know. So I'm going to export now. Let me take it up so that you see what I'm doing. Take it up. Then you come to export as. You select SVG. So I have exported. Let's go back to Figma. Let's drag this guy here. Come here. Select file. Select place image. You select exported SVG, and then we bring it to Figma. Let me take this guy back here. Bring it to Figma. Okay, I'm going to scale this guy down a little, then I'll see what I'm doing. So let me drag it to so this is our SVG. Get? So this was a PNG we used. To get this SVG. So this is what we currently have. This is our SVG. Let me centralize it. So I'm working with this green color, and I want it to fit into the color code that I'm working with. So I'm going to copy this green here, and then select my SVG. So if you can easily change the color.
Need to select this, select
this and come here and change it. You see how easy that was? And you can even play around with the whole thing. Like maybe you want the leg to move or something, you get? So you can easily play around with it. See, you can move the legs and you can do anything that you want to do with it. Get that? So I can basically change, any color that I want on this illustration now into anything I want. Yeah. So what you need to do, get your illustration and then you go to recrafts and then you vectorize it and then you export at SVG, you bring it back to your Figma and then you change the color. I hope this helps and I hope you're wise with this.